Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between internal trade and international trade. Both forms of trade are essential for economic growth, but they differ in scope, regulations, risks, and operational processes. Let us understand these differences one by one. Number 1. Internal trade refers to the exchange of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of a country, whereas international trade refers to the exchange of goods and services between two or more countries. Number 2. Internal trade is limited to domestic markets within a country, whereas international trade extends beyond domestic boundaries to foreign markets. Number 3. Internal trade operates within the internal boundaries of a nation, whereas international trade operates across national borders. Number 4. Internal trade involves buyers and sellers from the same country, whereas international trade involves parties from different countries. Number 5. Internal trade is governed by domestic laws and regulations, whereas international trade is governed by international trade agreements, treaties, and foreign trade policies. Number 6. Internal trade faces relatively fewer government restrictions, whereas international trade is subject to greater government control, regulations, and compliance requirements. Number 7. Internal trade requires minimal documentation, whereas international trade requires extensive documentation such as invoices, customs declarations, shipping documents, and permits. Number 8. Internal trade generally uses a single national currency, whereas international trade may involve multiple currencies and foreign exchange transactions. Number 9. Transportation in internal trade is simpler and less costly, whereas transportation in international trade is more complex and expensive due to longer distances and border procedures. Number 10. Internal trade involves relatively lower risk, whereas international trade faces higher risks due to political instability, economic fluctuations, and exchange rate changes. Number 11. Internal trade is not affected by import-export tariffs, whereas international trade is subject to customs duties, tariffs, and various international taxes. Number 12. Competition in internal trade is generally less intense, whereas international trade faces stronger competition from businesses across the world. Number 13. Payment procedures in internal trade are usually simple and faster, whereas international trade often requires complex payment methods such as letters of credit and international banking arrangements. Number 14. Internal trade faces minimal cultural or language barriers, whereas international trade must overcome cultural differences, language barriers, and varying consumer behaviors. Number 15. Internal trade serves a relatively uniform market with similar preferences, whereas international trade serves diverse markets with different standards, tastes, and demands. Number 16. Internal trade contributes to employment and income generation within a country, whereas international trade promotes foreign exchange earnings, global economic growth, and stronger international relations. To summarize, internal trade strengthens the domestic economy and efficiently serves local markets, whereas international trade expands business opportunities globally, increases foreign exchange earnings, and promotes economic integration among nations. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.